Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 310 Nitty Avenue here in Titusville, Florida. And first thing I want to do is give a big shout out to Pat Bertrand and Mitch Reback. They are the list agents on this property, and they were kind enough to allow us to do this video so you can have a nice walkthrough before you call one of us to make the appointment, because I know you're going to want to. So as you can see, we are in a fully fenced-in yard, which is amazing. As we step inside, you see this luxury vinyl flooring, and this is throughout the entire house, folks, not just parts and pieces, but the entire home. There's over $75,000 in renovations that they have done here on the interior of this home to get it ready to be perfect for you. We have Samsung appliances, all brand new, the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, the dishwasher. We've got gorgeous countertops in this butcher block look. And we've got tons of natural light, tons of cabinet space. Check this out, folks. And then I would say the most exciting thing would be maybe the 0.34 acre lot, because that's amazing. You don't find that often in a neighborhood. That's a lot of space outside. But this flex room that we're looking at, folks, I personally would put some French doors on there and I would make this my primary bedroom. But of course, once you buy the house, you do what you want. You could make it into a game room, a pool table area, a media room, a craft room. But you've got a door to the outside, and you have a full bathroom over here. Nice shower. Look at the tile all the way to the top. Isn't that gorgeous, folks? So, tons and tons and tons of options for this amazing room. And front door's right there, just so you can kind of get a bearing on everything. But you got a huge living room. There's your kitchen. Let's cruise over to those bedrooms, folks. So we got 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. All nice sized bedrooms. All plenty of natural light, which is amazing. Another gorgeous shower in this bathroom. Tile all the way up again. Isn't that fabulous? And then we've got bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. And again, you see all that wonderful light coming in, folks. Gorgeous flooring. Tons of reasons for you to call me and go, hey, Margaret, we want to see that house in person. We don't want to just look at a video tour. We want to look and touch and open cabinets. So, folks, you sure can. All you've got to do is pick up that phone. My number is 321-480-7662, and I would like to be your favorite Space Coast realtor. So let's cruise out back, check out the yard, folks. So we got this concrete pad that runs all along the back of the house here. Isn't that amazing? So plenty of space for a grill or lawn furniture. Nice table with an umbrella. Completely fenced in yard again, folks. Check this out. And think of all the things you can do on 0.34 of an acre. You could put a swimming pool back there. You could put a trampoline back there. You could put a swing set back there. You could play badminton. You could play soccer. You could throw the football. Wow, tons and tons and tons of wonderful activities. And by the way, just in case you're not from Florida, folks, I just want to show you something. Look at the sky and the sunshine. And it's February, folks, February here in Florida. So if you are not from this area and you're thinking, should I go move to Florida? Should I get a Florida home? Answer is yes, folks. Answer is yes. Amazing area, amazing home. Hopefully you are picking up your phone as we speak, or at least jotting down my number, 321-480-7662. Again, my name is Margaret Klein, and I would love to show you this home in person. Or keep in mind, you can also call Pat or Mitch, the 2 listing agents on this property. And again, a big thank you to Pat and Mitch for allowing us to do this video and spend a little time here in their gorgeous home. Margaret Klein signing off, 310 Nitty here in Titusville. Hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.